Amy's Kitchen. I got these on May the 30th and it was my birthday. So I got these cooking stuff from my aunt and we're going to use these to cook today. We're going to be making a mango Panacotta. It's a very, very easy recipe to make. First you have to take 1 cup of mango juice and then you have to take a packet of gelatin and mix it together and then leave it out for 10 minutes. And Arian, we only need 1 thing to mix in. Now 10 minutes is finished. I'm going to microwave it for 1 minute. Now we've taken it out of the microwave. We're gonna add 1 cup of mango pulp. This is not hot. Well, that is hot. But hot. I'm going to use this spoon to get all the rest out. Wait. Arian, hold this. Wait. Hold this. Yes. Hold this. Don't drop it in. Okay, hold this. Whoa. Okay. Arian, don't. Stop that. Okay. Oops. I'm just gonna get everything. Now we're gonna mix it. Okay. Now you pour it in a bowl and leave it in the fridge to set. Arian, what do we have to do now? Oven! No, we have to put it in the fridge this time. No oven this time. Now you take 1 cup of milk and 1 packet of gelatin and leave it out for 10 minutes. And remember to mix it together. Okay. Yeah. Now we're going to leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you have to heat it on the stove and add sugar and mix it together. Now you have to add a pinch of molten salt. Once everything is nicely mixed, you have to turn the stove off. Now you have to take a tablespoon of vanilla bean paste and add it in your milky mixture and then mix it together. Mama, help me. I thought it was going to turn brown. Well, it's actually not. I can only see just some little black spots. Anyway, now Arian has to mix it and we have to add double cream. 2 cups of double cream. Double cream. You like double cream. You never told me. Well, of course you can't tell me because he's a baby. Once your mango layer is ready, put your top layer on top of the mango layer and set it in the fridge. Now our bottom layer is ready. We left this in the fridge for 2 hours and it's set. So now the top layer is ready as well. So we're going to add the top layer on top, and we're going to add it slowly so it goes like layer by layer, it doesn't mix together. So let's do it. That's a lot of the top layer.
Should we put it around?
Bye bye. No, Orion, no. Now we're gonna put our mango panacotta in the fridge for 2 hours, and if you want, once it's set, you can add chops of mango on top. And I hope you enjoy your mango panacotta. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Arian, say bye.
Bye bye.
You want to say something?
Yeah. I went.
No. You might drop it. No, you might drop it. No, you might drop it. This is the best part. Is this the best part, Orion?
Yeah.